The insurance salesman is here. How are you doing?
Nothing.
Did you bring your briefcase with all the insurance informations?
No.
Oh. What are we gonna be doing today?
Driving a green truck.
That green truck?
Yeah.
Oh. Welcome back, everybody. It is Friday evening. The sun is shining. It is not raining. We are happy about that. I think we had 3 days in a row of rain. I'm hoping that it's not raining tomorrow. I haven't even looked at the weather. Tyler's out there cutting the grass. He's been waiting to do that. I'm telling y'all, the boy loves to cut grass on the riding mower. Like I've told y'all before, when it comes to the push mower parts, like in the back, he doesn't love that. But the riding mower, he loves it. Tyler likes to cut grass. Jonah likes to blow leaves or pollen. Y'all see all that they're blowing? That is pollen, all of that. The rain did help with that a little bit, so I guess we owe it some thanks for that. I'm about to start cooking now. We're having a fun carnival / fair foods movie night tonight. We're making homemade corn dogs, French fries, and I'm gonna make some more of those smoked sausage and peppers and onions hoagies. Those were really good. And Titus and Jacob and Tyler, they didn't really get to eat those with us. Jacob and Tyler did eat some when they got home that evening, but Titus didn't even get one because he was later than them. So we're gonna make some more of those. And sorry, it's really loud out there. Corn dogs, hoagies. We got kettle corn. I just got some of the Boom Chicka Pop kettle corn. Almost dropped it. The boot tray, we took it outside to clean it the other day and I think we left it outside. And we're gonna make funnel cakes. And we also got some marshmallows and some big long marshmallow roaster things here, but I don't know if we'll do a fire tonight or if we'll wait and do that maybe tomorrow night. But if we do it tomorrow, we're already prepared.
I need my boots on.
You need them back on already?
Yeah.
I've been looking forward to this corn dog and funnel cakes night ever since we planned it. I think we'll start with the corn dogs. You're gonna take your rest now? Okay. You go ahead and take your rest.
My driving thing.
What's it look like?
Black and brown.
Black and brown. A black and brown, bless you, driving thing.
Little.
Is it big or little?
Big. Then you throw it away.
No, I don't think so. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
It's my buggy. My big buggy.
Your big buggy?
Yeah.
Still confused. Is this something that's imaginary?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it's in your room.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna start by making the cornmeal mixture for the corn dogs. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. How many does this make? I need to see how many this makes. 12, okay, it makes 12. Okay, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're putting in a little bit of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, we'll mix all that together. All right, now we're putting in 1 egg and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Okay, so we're gonna get this mixed together. I'm splashing it out everywhere. And we're just gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so we've got that all mixed together. Now we're gonna put this into a tall glass so that it'll be easy to dip the hot dogs in. Jake's cutting up the peppers and onions for me for the hoagies. We're gonna do those on the Blackstone. This is really thick, but I guess, I mean, of course it needs to be thick. I don't know. The sticks that I have for the corn dogs are apple sticks. It's for making caramel or candy apples. And it shows right here that they stuck it through some little corn on the cob, so I'm sure it's strong enough to hold the corn dogs. The regular skewers, I don't think would hold them. They're just too, too thin. So we're gonna give these apple sticks a try. I'm afraid this batter's too thick. What do you think?
Yeah, you probably do.
Yeah, I think that's too thick.
Just a little bit. Is a cup the best thing?
Okay, y'all. the batter was a little bit too thick, and it could be different with, you know, the different kinds of flour and stuff you're using. Let's do with that. There we go. Let's try that
it again, everybody.
I'll be getting.
Oh, this is it.
Is that
right
better?
here.
Oh yes, that's better.
Oh, this is gonna be good stuff, everybody.
Okay, you flip it like you let it.
Got here.
Let it go 2 minutes and then flip it, or
I'd say not go 2 minutes. I'd say do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
And these are gonna be your flat corn dogs.
I really want to get that. My favorite part of the corn dog is the part where the breading sticks to the stick at the very bottom. And when you finish eating the corn dog, then you bite that breading off the...
Talking about going back to our childhood.
Here's that one.
See that one right there? I'm just glad I turned that one on accident. And I'm glad I did, because that thing was just speaking. Let's see, this one's ready, everybody. I'm pretty sure.
Let me get you something.
That one's ready to go. All right, now you want to kind of lean that cup a little bit, kind of, you know, get it down there on the end.
All right, I'm teaching Jake how to do the hoagies. You need to I put the meat over here. I just always do on the Blackstone. It's not really a rule. That's just what I do. And then you're gonna do the peppers and onions on the other side.
We have the corn dogs done. Now we're fixing to go to our French fries.
Yeah, the boys are handling the hoagies out there.
I checked under there.
Our gas went out on our grill out there on the Blackstone, so what we're gonna have to do is finish these hoagies right here. And I've never eaten any of these right here. Pal and them keep telling me they're really, really good, so we're gonna have to cook them right here on the Whitestone. So the hoagies go on them hoagie roads right there. We got a hard time down here in the South because we say stuff like that. Them hoagies go on them hoagie roads right there. I mean, the other night, me and Fallon was sitting there listening to some news bloopers of some people that was down about an hour south of here, which I got family down there. And
our own kind.
Our own kind, and we had a hard. They had me so confused.
I still don't know what they said.
I was almost thinking they were speaking a different kind of language.
Yeah, I still don't know exactly what they said.
You know,
something about something different.
Well, I understood him okay, but you know.
The other one.
That
it really
other
sounded
one,
like a different language.
He was saying something that was deep. I mean, you had to go into deep concentration just to even barely get what he was trying to say.
Good?
That's real good. I ain't kidding you.
Yummy.
Alright everybody, I ain't never eaten one of these hoagies right here, but I'm gonna tell you something. They look good. You gotta be mighty hungry.
Yeah,
This is a big deal. This is a big deal. Very good.
Okay, y'all, the moment we've all been waiting for, funnel cake time. We got this from, where did we get this from? Oh yeah, Aldi. Got it from Aldi. So we mix the pouch of funnel cake mix with 1 1/3 of a cup of water. 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup.
Gracias.